Today we will see how to install the printer driver. As first, go to any of the browser and search TVS Electronics. Then go to the first link. Then go to the products and click on the printers. Then go down and select the laser printers. Now click on the view products and select your product model. All the product models drivers are available. Currently we are installing MD-30NW. Go little bit down, select downloads. Here all the drivers are available. We will install the Windows driver. Without that, the Android application is available for mobile, Mac OS is available for the Apple computer, MacBook, and Linux driver is also available. We can download the drivers whatever we want. So currently the files are getting downloaded. Alright, we will extract this file. We will double click on the Windows and we will run the setup file. This is the setup main. If we double click and simply install it, it will install the printer driver. And if this driver is not installing, there is also 32-bit and 64-bit driver. We are installing the 64-bit driver directly. Click on next. Now currently the printer is connected with the USB. That's why we have selected this option. And if we want to install in LAN or Wi-Fi, we can also select the network option and enter IP. Now it will install the printer driver as well as the scanner app and the configuration tool. It will take 25 to 30 seconds to install all the drivers. Done. We will click on next and click on finish. The driver has been installed. Now we will see the printer driver from the control panel. Go to the device and printer, printers and scanner. You can see the TVS MD-30NW driver has been installed, and we are going to the printer properties and then ports. We can see that it has been installed through USB. Now we will see how to install the printer driver while we are connecting the printer through LAN or Wi-Fi. We will click on next and we will select the last option, connect to network. We have configured the printer with this IP address. We just simply enter the IP address. (155). Yes, click on next. It has been installed. We will click on next and finish. Now we will configure with the Wi-Fi. We will connect the printer with the USB cable and open the TVS printer setup tool. The first option is the basic information. If we click on the query button, it will pull all the printer details like the printer serial number, model, the total number of pages printed, remaining toner, all of the details. If we click on the LAN setup, we can configure the printer with the LAN. We need to select the following IP address and assign a free IP. Now we will configure it with the Wi-Fi. We click on the WLAN setup and click on the search. It will pull all the available Wi-Fi network. We will connect the printer with the Siddha AI. Just click over there. It will come in the down. We will enter the password and select the uh, following IP address to configure it with the static IP. We will go to the command prompt and type a command ipconfig to check the IP range. Our IP range is 10.140.22. We will pull a free IP using the ping command. We are going with 10.140.22.155. Yeah, this is the free IP. We are able to assign this IP address. So we are just entering the IP address. After that, we will enter the subnet mask, that is 255.255.252.0. Now we will enter the default gateway, that is 10.140.20.5. Now we will click on the setup. It will set the IP address and the printer Wi-Fi LED will be fixed. Now we will ping again and the IP is configured successfully with the router. Now we have successfully configured the printer with the Wi-Fi. We will right click on the MD-30NW and click on the see what's printing and go to the printer and click on the properties. Now if you go to the port, we can see that it has been configured with this IP address. If we go to the general and click on the print test page for the testing, the page has been sent successfully. This is the MD-30NW. It started and the test page has been printed successfully. Now we will try to scan multiple pages and create a PDF file using the TVS Scan app. We will open the TVS Scan app and there is an option called the scan in the top. If we want to scan a single page, we can directly click on scan. We are also having left side multiple option like create PDF, and in the scan mode we can also select the option like the pages has been fitted to flatbed or the ADF. Currently we are selecting PDF option and click on the multi pages PDF. Now we will place a paper in the flatbed and click on the scan. Is scanning the first page. The first page has been scanned successfully. We will place another one uh, paper in the flat belt for the second scan, and once we done with the change, we will click on scan again. Here we will click on yes as we want to save in the same PDF. It's scanning the second page. The second page also came properly. We are placing another one page in the flat belt and click on scan again. Again click on yes. The third page also scanned successfully. Now we will minimize it and go to the location. We can also click yes, this is the location where we are saving the file. This is the PDF that has been generated. If we open the PDF, we'll able to see the first page, the second page and the third page. All the pages has been scanned successfully using the TVS scanner app. If we are using the printer wirelessly, we need to change the port to the IP address. Otherwise, we can get the error. Currently, the printer is not connected with the USB, configured with the Wi-Fi. If we click on the scan, we may get a error. So that time, we need to go to the config option from the top and go to the port. By default, it was in port with USB. We need to select it to the IP address, the second option, and we will cross check what is the IP address of the printer. This is the IP 10.140.22.155. We will enter the same IP address over here and click on continue. Now we can place the paper in the flat bed and click on the scan. As you can see that the scan has been completed successfully without any error. If we want to scan the multiple page also, we can place the another page and click on yes. It is scanning the second page. You can see that the second page also has been scanned successfully. If we go to the output settings, we can select a path or the folder where we want to save the scanned document and click on save. Currently we have saved it into our desktop scanner doc. As you can see that the PDF has been created. And those are the pages that we have scanned.